Here's a good question. How long would it take to visit every part of the Milky Way at light speed? Imagine you had the fastest spaceship physically possible. Not almost the speed of light, exactly the speed of light. How long would it take to explore the entire Milky Way? A few thousand years? A million? Or something even more mind-blowing? Let's break it down. So, how big is the Milky Way? First, we need to understand the scale. The Milky Way is about 100,000 to 120,000 light-years across, around 1,000 light-years thick, home to 100 to 400 billion stars. Now here's the key. A light-year is the distance light travels in 1 year. So if something is 100,000 light-years away, even light itself takes 100,000 years to get there. If your spaceship could travel at light speed, it would take you about 100,000 years just to go from one side of the galaxy to the other. That's longer than human civilization has existed. And that's just a straight line across. No stopping, no exploring. What if you wanted to visit everything? Now things get serious. The Milky Way isn't empty space. It contains hundreds of billions of stars, nebulae, star clusters, a massive central bulge, and at the center, a supermassive black hole called Sagittarius A star. Let's do a thought experiment. Say you wanted to visit every star. Let's assume 200 billion stars. You spend just one single day at each one, and somehow you can travel instantly between them. That alone would take 200 billion days. That equals about 548 million years. And remember, that's pretending travel time doesn't exist. In reality, stars are light years apart. Even at light speed, traveling between nearby stars takes years. So a true full exploration, likely hundreds of millions to billions of years. Here comes the relativity twist. There's another catch. According to Einstein's theory of relativity, objects with mass can't actually reach light speed. But even if you could travel very close to it, time would behave differently for you. Because of time dilation, time on board your ship would slow down. The journey might feel shorter to you. But from Earth's perspective, hundreds of thousands or millions of years would still pass. The universe doesn't shrink, you just experience it differently. So here's the final answer. To cross the Milky Way once at light speed, about 100,000 years. To explore the entire galaxy star by star, hundreds of millions to billions of years, even moving at the fastest speed allowed by physics. The galaxy is so vast that exploring it completely would take longer than complex life has existed on Earth. And that's just one galaxy. There are hundreds of billions more in the observable universe. Space isn't just big, it's unimaginably big. If you enjoyed this deep dive into cosmic scale, subscribe for more mind-bending space explorations. Next question. What if we could travel faster than light?